Hi everyone, it's Monica with American English with Monica. I'm so glad you're here. This week I have a great phrasal verb that's so popular and I've been wanting to do this video for a while. There's at least 5 definitions that we will review today, okay? If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name's Monica and I teach business English and my students are all over the world. I've had an online business for many years, but I wanted to make a weekly video series to help people all over the world with phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs are important. And if you missed any lessons, previous lessons, please go back and watch them. They're all important. If you're studying for Cambridge tests, you'll definitely see phrasal verbs. If you're communicating with people in English at work or at school or when you're traveling, these are all important phrasal verbs to know. So let's get started. This week's phrasal verb is hold on. Hold on. Yeah, there's lots of meanings for this and I want to review them with you. And if you haven't liked and subscribed to my videos already, I would love it if you would subscribe to the channel and share with your friends and colleagues, because all of these phrasal verbs are important. So when I tell you about phrasal verbs, I like to mention if you can separate them or not, right? So this week, the phrasal verb cannot be separated. Hold on is always next to each other in the sentence. You can't say hold it on or hold her on. That won't work. So let's get started with the meanings. The first one is the most literal meaning. When you hold on to something, it means you have it in your hand. I'm holding on to this marker. I'm going to grab my water bottle. I'm holding on to it. Okay, so to grab something with your hands, and the preposition is always to, okay? Grab something with hands. And don't forget to. So maybe you are walking down the street and you're holding on to your bag. Maybe you are using a stairway. You're going up some stairs or down some stairs and you hold on to the railing. Okay? The next definition you will hear all the time, so common, is to wait or pause or stop. Hold on, let me think. Hold on, please speak slowly. Hold on, I'm not ready yet. So we use the phrase hold on by itself. There's no preposition. Please hold on. To tell someone to wait, pause, stop, or slow down. Yeah. So when you're having a conversation with an English speaker and they are speaking way too fast, you should say, hold on. Can you slow down? Or hold on. Can you repeat that? It means pause, wait. All right. You might hear this if you're on a phone call. You might call and ask for someone at the office and they might say, hold on a moment or hold on a minute. It means wait. It's a really important one to know because we use it a lot. So if you need someone to slow down or pause. The next meaning I want to discuss, this one's hard to, hold on, this one's hard to explain. Hold on, let me think. The next meaning is about staying strong through something difficult, through a difficult time. I want you to hold on through this difficult, this hard thing. So I want you to endure it, to survive, to keep going. So when we say hold on, or if someone says this to you, maybe there's just something really challenging, right, in your life, right? Life has ups and it has downs. And when life has really low points and downs and you're feeling sad or helpless or depressed, a friend might say, just hold on. Okay, so get through it. Stay strong. Endure. This is a wonderful verb. Endure. R-E. Can you see that? Endure. That's a good one to know. Survive. Continue. Keep going. There's a song from the early 90s by a band called Wilson Phillips, and it's called Hold On. And it talks about, I know that there is pain, but hold on for one more day. I won't sing it, but maybe I'll put the link for the song in the description for this video. And you'll hear this expression, hold on, with this meaning about staying strong through something difficult. Now, a doctor might say a patient held on all night, meaning they managed to stay alive. Right? Maybe there was an accident or a fire or something terrible happened and a lot of people died, but 3 people held on. That means they lived, they survived, they managed to stay alive. Okay, stay alive. So that's that meaning of hold on that I want you to know. The last one, before we get to the bonus definition, I have an idiom I want to share with you about holding on. So let's focus. The last meaning to discuss with the phrasal verb is to keep something, to retain something, if you want to continue something. So sometimes it's something physical, sometimes it's not. But if you keep something, you're holding on to it. Again, with the preposition to. Okay, to keep or retain. For example, my grandmother died. She passed away years ago, but I held on to her poetry books. She wrote a lot of poetry and I held on to them. I kept them. If we're talking about business English, a company might want to hold on to their best employees. They will try to offer incentives and benefits to hold on to their top, most productive staff. Okay, so this is an important one to know. If you need to continue something, keep something, hold on. It might be used in a relationship. All right, this couple is having some difficult times. They argue a lot, but I think they're going to hold on. I think they will keep going. All right. Or their marriage just couldn't hold on anymore. It means they separated. All right. Let me tell you the bonus, the idiom, the expression. Normally on my videos, I like to share phrasal verbs. This is more of an idiom, like a noun. And it's if someone has to have hold on someone. If you have a hold on someone, this means you have a lot of control, power, influence over them. Okay, might not be a good thing. Right? Sometimes if someone has a hold on someone, it's negative. For example, sometimes parents have such a strong hold on their children. They control them. They're powerful. Maybe they're even abusive. Those children, when they grow up, it's hard for them to become independent because their parents have such a strong hold on them. Okay, again, this is a noun in this sentence, but I want you to know that if someone can't leave their job because their boss has a hold on them, it means their boss really affects them and influences them in a powerful way. And sometimes it means it's negative. It's not a good situation if someone has a hold on someone like that. I know every country and culture is different, but in America, there's an idea, a theme, a hope that people can be independent. And I know this is not like this in some other countries. Some of my students are from countries where, for instance, women often are in situations where people have a hold on them and they can't be a fully independent person. So it's not a good thing if someone has a hold on someone else. But I did want to mention that idiom along with these definitions. So if you have an example of where you have held on through something difficult, put it in the comments. If you have to tell someone, hold on, I need you to wait, I need you to slow down, I need you to stop, or I'm on the phone and I'm waiting for someone else. If you have a good example of using hold on, put it in the comments. I love when people ask questions and comment. That's awesome. Again, if you can share and like the videos, that would be so great. I'm trying to help as many English learners as possible. And there was something else I was going to say. Oh, if you have a phrasal verb that you would like me to do a video about, let me know. There are thousands of phrasal verbs, and I'm trying to get as many as I can. I have a 1-year commitment to you to make these videos. But if there's a phrasal verb you want to hear, let me know. I'm talking too much without water. Okay, thank you for joining me. I'm so happy you're here, and let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you next week. Bye.